we should install Microsoft Visio before proceeding with Envision. We can use the versions of Visio up to 2014. In this video, I am using Microsoft Visio 2007. Envision is the graphical user interface of the Honeywell Alerton controllers. After installation, it requires a Honeywell license to communicate with the controllers online. For the installation process of Envision 3.1, first, click on the folder containing Envision 3.1 setup files. In the folder, you can find a file named Setup. Click on that file and it will begin the installation of the all necessary software required for running the Envision on Windows. After clicking the setup file, follow the steps shown in this video to complete the installation. Lead Building Solutions sponsoring this video. Lead Building Solutions is a contracting firm in the construction field. For more pieces of information, please contact www.leads.com. Things after installing Envision 3.1 will be discussed in the next video. Please stay tuned.